Assalamu alaikum all viewers and dear students. Today we have a new exponential equations 36 exponent of x minus 9 exponent of x is equal to 18 exponent of x. How we can find the value of x is unknown. So look here, the variable of each constant term is in the exponent, so this is called an exponential equation, and the base is every constant value. So now first of all we are using, there are different methods we are using. The first method we can use here's method number first. So first of all we are making the factor of 36 factor. If we are making 2 and 3 multiply by 3, 9 and multiply by 2, so we get 2 square and 3 square, so we get 36. Similarly in 9 we can write 3 multiply by 3, we get 3 square, and 18 we can write the factor of 18, 2 and 3 we get 18 and 2 3 square. In the place of each term we have get 36, we put in here 2 square and 3 square whole exponent of x. Similarly in 9 we get 3 square, we can put 3 square whole exponent of x, and 18 the replace of we get 2 and 3 square exponent of x. Now according to the rule, we have one of the rule of the double exponent rule, a exponent of b whole exponent of m. So we are here, the power is 1, we can write a exponent of m and b exponent of m. According to these rules we are expanding this term, we can write 2 exponent of x and 3 exponent of 2x. Similarly, and 2 exponent of x is equal to 2 exponent of x and 2 exponent of x. Now according to the rules we have applied in here, if we try to finish this term, we are dividing by each term this term, so we will get in here 2 exponent of x, 3 exponent of 2x, dividing by each term 2 exponent of x and 3 exponent of 2x minus 2 exponent of x divided by 2 exponent of x and 3 exponent of 2x is equal to 2 exponent of x and 2 exponent of x. 2 exponent of x and 3 exponent of 2x both are cancelled, we get in here 1. Now and also this 3 exponent 2x are cancelled, similarly and here is also cancelled. So we get the term is remainder of 2x and 2 exponent of x minus 1 divided by 2 exponent of x is equal to 1. Now according to the double exponent rule, here we are using a exponent of m, a divided by exponent of n. In case of quotient rule we can subtract their powers m minus n. According to this rule we can apply in here 2 exponent of x minus and 2 exponent of minus x. This is the exponent of minus m is equal to 1 divided by exponent of m. According to this rule we can write this term is equal to 1. 2x minus x, we subtract their coefficient, so 2 minus 1 we get 1x minus 2 exponent of minus x is equal to minus 1 is equal to 0. We transfer to the left side, the sign is also changed. Now we can write further this term 2 exponent of x minus 2 exponent of x minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to 0. We can write according to the double exponent rule, we are replace this result. If we change their power, we change their replaces, here we can write a exponent of n exponent of a. Similarly and here we can also change, and here the power is 1 and we change to these terms according to this condition. Now we substitute 2 exponent of x is equal to t. Now we get in here the equation is reduces in the form of t minus t exponent of minus 1 is equal to 0. And this term further t minus 1 by t minus 1 is equal to 0. If we are taking LCM t multiplied by t, we get t square minus 1 minus t is equal to 0. T is LCM and we have taken this term t as the LCM. So multiplying this term by LCM minus 1 minus t is equal to 0 multiplied by t is equal to 0. So we get arranged according to the condition of quadratic equation t square minus t minus 1 is equal to 0. We are comparing with the quadratic general equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and here we get a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 1. Now we are using quadratic formula. Here variable is used t, we are using in here t minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root divided by 2a. Now we substitute the values of a, b and c in the above formula. In replace of b we put minus 1 and minus 1 plus minus and b square minus 1 square minus 4ac, a is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 1 divided by 2 and 2 1. T is equal to minus 1 plus minus and 1 square 1 minus into minus plus 4 divided by 2. Now t is equal to plus minus and 5 under the root divided by 2. 1 is positive. Here we can already supposition 2 exponent of x is equal to t. In the place of t we put the result as 2 exponent of x is equal to 1 plus minus 5 under the root divided by 2. Now we are taking log on both sides. 2 exponent of x is equal to log of 1 plus minus and 5 under the root divided by 2. Now according to the logarithm exponential formula n times log of m. According to this formula, if we are applying in here x log of 2 is equal to log of 1 plus minus 5 under the root divided by 2. Now check this first method. 36 exponent of x minus 9 exponent of x is equal to 18 exponent of x, but we have already reduced form of this one. 2 exponent of x and 2 exponent of x minus 1 is equal to 1. Now we are replaced. We have already reduced this in the previous steps. You check this one. So 2 exponent of x minus 2 exponent of x whole exponent of minus 1 is equal to 1. Now we replace this result. We want to log of 2 1 plus minus 5 under the root divided by 2 minus 2 exponent of x is log of 2 and 1 plus minus 5 under the root divided by 2 whole exponent of minus 1 is equal to 1. Now we have the property. According to the property, when base and log of 2 both are equal, so this result will be equal to 1. 1 plus minus 5 under the root divided by 2 minus the same process, and here we can get 1 plus minus 5 under the root divided by 2 whole exponent of minus 1 is equal to 1. We have the property 1 plus minus 5 under the root divided by 2. We change this property, we change in the denominator, so their power is positive. 1 plus minus 5 under the root divided by 2 is equal to 1. Now further we can change this result. We can apply minus 5 under the root divided by 2 minus this will be double division. We change 2 or multiply by this term because the denominator will be changed into the numerator in here. According to the double division process, 1 plus minus 5 under the root is equal to 1. Now we are taking LCM. LCM is we get in here this will be equal to 1 and 2 and 2 1 plus minus 5 under the root. Now this 2 are cancelled, we get this term 1 plus minus 5 under the root is square, because this is repeated minus 2 and this will be cancelled in 2. Now according to the formula, we have the formula, we are using the first, we are taking the first result and here positive, we ignoring in here the first steps, second steps. So 1 plus 5 under the root whole square and minus 4 divided by 2 into 1 plus minus 5 under the root is equal to 1. So now in the first steps, if we are ignoring in here, we also ignore these terms, because this will be in the second step. We are trying to solve this one now by cross multiplication, and also we know that the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. The above term, we are open this term. One square plus 5 under the root square plus 2 into 1 into 5 under the root minus 4 divided by 2 into 1 plus 5 under the root is equal to 1. Now this will be equal to 1. This is cancelled. We get plus 5 and this will be 2 under the root is 5 minus 4 divided by 2 into 1 plus 5 under the root is equal to 1. 1 plus 5 we get 6. 6 plus 2 under the root is 5 minus 4 is equal to this result. We are multiplying here. We get 2 into 1 plus 5 under the root. Now we subtract this result. We get 6 minus 4. We get 2 plus 2. 5 under the root is equal to 2. 1 plus 5 under the root. Similarly, in here we taking common 2 is common 1 plus 5 under the root is equal to 2 1 plus 5 under the root. So both results are same. It means that our solution is x is equal to log of 2 and 1 plus minus 5 under the root divided by 2 is our solution is correct. Now we are, if we are the method of second, we are applying in here. Both are must be same, so the result will be also same. So if we here the smallest term between 36, 9 and 18 is 9. So it means that we are divide each term by 9 exponent of x. Dividing second method we are using, dividing both sides by 9 exponent of x. So we get 36 exponent of x, 9 exponent of x minus 9 exponent of x, 9 exponent of x, 18 exponent of x and 9 exponent of x. Now we have the rule when power are same, so we can write 36 divided by 9 whole exponent of x minus both are cancelled, we get 1, and also this rule we can apply 18 divided by 9 whole exponent of x. Now look here, this is cancelled to each other, we get 4, and here also is cancelled, we get 2, we get 4 exponent of x minus 1 is equal to 2 exponent of x. 2 square we get 4 and whole exponent of x minus 1 and minus 2 exponent of x is equal to 0. Now we are transfer their places, change here. So minus 2 exponent of x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now if we take the supposition we have already done, 2 exponent of x is equal to t. Now the above system is reduces in here, t square minus t minus 1 is equal to 0. This step we have already done in the previous steps, so the other solution are same. Thank you very much for watching. It means that our solution is correct by another method also. If you are, we have already done these steps, remaining step you can check in the previous steps in the method, in the first methods. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks again.